Students, in the last few turns, we have discussed on different subjects. Today, we are going to discuss a very different story, The Summer Beautiful White Horse. So, students, it's a story about two Armenian boys who were cousins and were fond of riding a horse. But they were poor and could not learn riding. Secondly, their family was poor, but they were famous for their ऑनेस्टी। ये स्टोरी दो आर्मेनियन कज़न्स की है जिन्हें हॉर्स राइडिंग का बहुत शौक़ था, लेकिन उनकी मजबूरी ये थी कि वो लोग बहुत गरीब थे, जिसकी वजह से वो राइडिंग नहीं सीख सकते थे। वन डे वन ऑफ देम मुराद केम on a horse to ask his cousin about if he wants to come with him for riding a horse. When Aram looked at the horse, he was very shocked and asked different questions with Murad. And many questions arose in his mind regarding the horse, that the horse on which Murad was sitting seems to be very costly. If he had bought the horse, but it could not be possible, or he has stolen the horse, but it also could not be possible because they are honest. But after some time, he too was ready to ride on the horse with his cousin Murad. Both of them went to ride the horse together. एक दिन मुराद जब अरम के पास आया और उसने जब देखा कि उसके सामने एक खूबसूरत घोड़ा लेकर अरम के पास पहुंचा है, उसे पूछने के लिए उसने कहा वो भी उसने अपने साथ राइडिंग पर ले जाना चाहेगा। तब अरम ने उसको जब देखा तो उसके मन में कई सारी बातें, कई सारे सवाल खड़े हो गए, लेकिन इन सब बातों को छोड़कर अरम अपने भाई के साथ जाने के लिए तैयार हो गया और दोनों सुबह राइडिंग के लिए चल दिए। This was their routine, that every day they used to go for riding at 4 o'clock early in the morning and came back before sun rises so that nobody comes to know about them. On the other hand, a farmer named John Byro came to Murad's house to tell that his horse has been stolen. He met his uncle Khusro, who was also a homesick man. So he is alone with his family. He would be affected, but apart from his family, nothing affected him. When John Byro told him about the horse, he said, "It's no harm, pay no attention to it." It was a pet dialogue of Uncle Khusro. When farmer went away, he was very sad. After few days, when Murad and Aram took the horse